2005 flip phone in the cup holder glow. Peerless and white Lincoln signature, stealing the show. Beige leather so creamy, seat 6 like a living room throne. 4.6 liters of Ford V8, 240 horses, never alone. Chrome wheels catch the sunset, sunroof open wide. 32 stamps from family Ford, Parksville family pride. Take me back, town car, 20 years in a flash. Peerless and white dream floating on a cloud of cash. Heated seats in winter, dual zone AC in July. Electric pedals dancing so the short and tall can fly. 2005 never felt so alive in 2025. Lincoln Town car signature, retro chic still drives. Wood trim gleaming, memory seats know your name. Trip computer counting miles while we play the old game. Steering wheel buttons for cruise and the classic rock station. This big white yacht on wheels is pure motivation. October 25, brand new brakes all around. August new starter, July shifter found. April new battery, headlights cut the dark. Tires 930 seconds, ready to embark. Floating down the old island highway, windows down low. From Parksville to Tofino, let the good times flow. Sunroof full of stars, heated seats on high. 2005 called it once, it's magic back tonight. Take me back, town car, pearlescent queen of the scene. Beige leather palace, smoothest ride we've ever seen. 6 seats, V8 heartbeat, chrome wheels rolling free. In 2025, you're still the king to me. Come see Adam at Ed Berry, Nanamo's retro star. Jump in this 2005 Lincoln, best road trip by far. Peerless and white, 2005 forever. A Lincoln Town car, baby. Smooth operator. Ooh, baby. 2005 is calling. In cup holder glow. Pearlescent white Lincoln, signature steel in the show. Beige leather so creamy, seat six like a living room throne. 4.6 liters of Ford V8, 240 horses, never alone. Chrome wheels catch the sunset, sunroof open wide. 32 stamps from Family Ford, Parksville family pride. Take me back, town car, 20 years in a flash. Pearlescent white dream, floating on a cloud of cash. Heated seats in winter, dual zone AC in July. Electric pedals dancing so the short and tall can fly. 2005 never felt so alive in 2025. Lincoln Town car signature, retro chic still drives. Wood trim gleaming, memory seats know your name. And trip computer counting miles while we play the old game. Steering wheel buttons for cruise and the classic rock station. This big white yacht on wheels is pure motivation. Cube that was anger. October 25, brand new brakes all around. August new starter, July shifter found. April new battery, headlights cut the dark. Tires 9/30 seconds, ready to embark. Floating down the old island highway, windows down low. From Parksville to Tofino, let the good times flow. Sunroof full of stars, heated seats on high. 2005 called, it wants its magic back tonight. Take me back, town car, pearlescent queen of the scene. Beige leather palace, smoothest ride we've ever seen. 6 seats, V8 heartbeat, chrome wheels rolling free. In 2025, you're still the king to me. Come see Adam at Ed Berry, Nanaimo's retro star. Jump in this 2005 Lincoln, best road trip by far. Pearlescent white, 2005, forever.